Rob Kardashian accuses Blac Chyna of bailing on deal, demands judge enforce agreement ahead of private photo trial. Rob Kardashian claims Blac Chyna isn't holding up her end of the deal after she allegedly agreed to quietly drop her lawsuit about the private photo leak. In recently filed documents, Kris Jenner's only son hurled accusations about the mother of his 5-year-old daughter, Dream, as the exes gear up to battle once again in court. According to Rob, Chyna agreed not to move forward with her revenge porn trial against him but only if he got her out of a separate court battle with another ex. She allegedly wanted the former Keeping Up with the Kardashian star to convince Pilot Jones to drop his lawsuit against them. Jones, who dated Chyna after her turbulent relationship with Rob, sued the former couple, alleging they outed him as gay. He claimed their big mouths left him open to public threats and scrutiny. The Kardashian patriarch claimed Chyna insisted that he get her name off the lawsuit. If he could do that without it costing her any money, Rob said Chyna agreed she would drop the private photo suit against him. Rob told the judge that he accepted their alleged agreement last month. He's now accusing Chyna of attempting to back out of their deal and move forward with her revenge porn trial. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you remain updated on your favorite celebrities. Rob is pleading with the judge to force Chyna to stick to the deal he claims they agreed to. He never wants the case to see the light of day, adding he believes it should be dropped. This comes just weeks after Chyna lost a multi-million-dollar lawsuit against Rob's famous family. The video vixen-turned-reality star claimed Kris, Kim, Khloe, and Kylie cost her serious cash by allegedly convincing E! To terminate her TV contract, which, in turn, caused her to miss out on other money-making opportunities. The Kardashians denied any wrongdoing, and after several weeks in the Los Angeles courthouse, the jury found in favor of the cuck stars. Despite taking a loss, Chyna continued to fight. She accused the Kardashians of gaslighting jurors, the judge of being biased, and the court clerk of taking photos with Rob's family in a secret and unethical meeting, an accusation that Kim later scoffed at. As for Rob, he wants an emergency hearing to address the alleged deal he made with Chyna. The exes are set to battle next week over the revenge porn in court. Rob Kardashian and his ex-fiancée Blac Chyna are back in court fighting over $45,000 she has demanded he cough up. According to court documents, the former couple is going back and forth in the assault lawsuit Rob brought against Chyna. The reclusive reality star ended up dismissing the case days before trial in February. In the suit, Rob said Chyna attacked him during an altercation at Kylie Jenner's home in December 2016. In court papers, he said his ex tried to strangle him with an iPhone cord and struck him with a 6-foot metal pole. Rob said he had to call his mother Kris Jenner for help on the night in question. Kris' boyfriend rushed over and later claimed he had to keep Chyna away from Rob. Chyna said she never abused or attacked Rob. She said she was trying to retrieve her phone from him that he had stole. The lashed businesswoman claimed to fear Rob would send out threatening messages to third parties like he had done in the past from her phone. As part of her defense, Chyna also pointed out Rob never mentioned abuse during interviews with the Department of Child and Family Services. She also presented videos shot the day after the alleged attack showing Rob with no visible injuries or bruises on his face. In the weeks before the trial was scheduled, Chyna and her lawyer said they were ready for their day in court. We're told the model felt like she had a strong case and the jury would side with her. Chyna didn't get that chance due to Rob dismissing the lawsuit days before they were to appear in court. As a result, she filed a motion demanding Rob be ordered to reimburse her for costs spent defending herself in the case. The $45,000 requested was broken down as nearly $2,000 spent on filing fees, another $33,000 on preparing for depositions, $2,300 to hire a court reporter, and $8,000 in other fees. However, Rob has now objected to the $45,000, claiming Chyna is seeking to be reimbursed for expenses made as part of her other battle with his family members. In his new motion over the $45,000, Rob accused Chyna of seeking reimbursement for costs she spent on the battle with his mom and sisters. His lawyer said Blac Chyna is improperly inflating the costs she incurred in connection with the assault and battery case filed by Rob and purposely attempting to mislead this court. The bulk of the costs Chyna seeks relate to depositions having nothing to do with this action. In fact, those depositions were noticed by Chyna in support of her prosecution of her case in the separate related action. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell.